Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of DAV Moyle Public School Standard 10 Mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher Varun Chauhan, and today I am going to take your session on coordinate geometry where we will learn about section formula. Student, in previous video we have already learned about distance formula. Similarly, there is another formula, that is section formula, which we use to find the coordinates of point which lie between a line which divide that line in the ratio m:n. So for that we use the formula that we call section formula. Here point P divide that AB in the ratio m:n, where the coordinates of these points, that is A, P and B, is for A there is a coordinate x1, y1, for P there is a coordinate xy, and for B x2, y2. So we have to find the coordinates for that P. So for that x is equal to m into x2 means the coordinate of B, x coordinate of B, which have to multiply with the ratio that is m, plus n into coordinate of A, that is x coordinate, that is x1. So m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by sum of the ratio, given ratio, that is m and n, so means m plus n. Similarly for y we'll use m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So using this formula you can find the coordinates for the point divide the given line in the ratio m:n. Student, similarly if the points divide line externally, so we'll use the same formula, but instead of addition we'll just do the subtraction between the difference of this coordinate. That is, when we find the coordinates of P, that is xy, so we'll use m1 x2 minus m2 x1 divided by m1 minus m2, and for y m1 y2 minus m2 y1 divided by m1 minus m2. So this is the formula which we use to find the coordinates of point P which divide line AB externally. Similarly students, when we have a ratio, instead of m:n, suppose we have a ratio k is to 1, so we use the same formula, but instead of m and n we'll use k and 1. When the line divided in the same ratio, that is 1:1, then we use the formula to find the coordinates of point P, that is xy. So for x, that is x2 plus x1 divided by 2, and for y, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. This is also called as midpoint formula. Student, the given example based on the midpoint formula. Here in this problem we have to find the midpoint of a line whose endpoints are 4, 5 and 6, 7, where we noted as x1, y1, that is 4 and 5, and x2, y2 as 6 and 7. So according to midpoint formula, we'll find the coordinate xy, that is by using x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that is of 4 plus 6 by 2, and 5 plus 7 by 2, that is of 5 and 6. Now student, we'll see some more solved example based on section formula. So there is example, and the example is like that: find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, 6 and -4, -5 internally in the ratio 3:2. So according to section formula, first of all we'll write the given information, that is x1 and y1, 4, 6, x2, y2, that is of -5, -4, and the ratio which is given 3:2. So using section formula we put the values, and then after that we'll find the coordinates of point P, that is x and y. So you get the coordinates of point P, that is -7 by 5, that is of x, and 0 for y. Student, this is the another type of problem based on section formula. So here we have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10, 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So here let us consider the ratio for the given line segment where it divided by which is in the ratio case to 1. Let us assume the ratio is case to 1. So for that again we use the same, that is section formula. So but instead of m is to n we'll use case to 1. So according to that we arrange the formula, that is k x2 plus x1 by k plus 1 and k y2 plus y1 by k plus 1. So now after putting the values here we get that is of minus 1 which is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. So from that we get the value of k, that is of k is equal to 2 by 7. So like that you have to solve the example. Student, these are the questions based on today's topic. So note down the question and solve in your mathematics copy. So student, in such a way that here we end our unit, that is coordinate geometry. We'll meet again with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.